You guys wanted more air fryer recipes? I've listened, you're gonna get them. We're making Korean air fried chicken the Cheats way. Super quick, easy, delicious and crunchy. You're gonna love it. I'm using my air fryer today because I don't wanna deep fry the chicken in oil. I wanna reduce the amount of oil for the kids. After all, they're eating it and I wanna make sure they have somewhat of a nutritious meal. I'm using cornflakes because most people will have that in their pantry, especially if they've got kids. It's a great substitute for breadcrumbs, gives you the crunch. I've got chicken tenderloins because it's easier to use. I'm using a Korean chili paste called gochujang. Hope I said that correctly. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can either leave it off, use honey and soy, or use crushed chili or some sriracha, whatever. Right, with that being said, grab your coffees and let's go. Let's start off by marinating our chicken. I'm using Kewpie mayo, but if you don't have Kewpie mayo, just use whatever mayo you have at hand. It doesn't really matter. Squeeze that straight on top of your chicken, add a bit of seasoning, salt, some white pepper, and just mix away until well combined. I've got my mayonnaise, salt and pepper in, and let's just mix this up and set it aside. We grab our cornflakes. It's in a flat plate, and with your hands, just give it a rough crunch. What we're trying to do is break down the cornflakes. I don't want it as a fine powder because I still want a bit of texture there, but I don't want it as big as the flakes are currently. So just give it a nice crush with your hands. Let all that frustration of the day out. I'm gonna quickly coat the base of my air fryer with some oil spray. It's time now to coat our chicken tenderloins with the cornflake crumb. Okay, I filled the base of my air fryer bowl, and now I'm just gonna spray the tops of the chicken and straight into the air fryer it goes. It's time to mix up the sauce. Start by adding your olive oil to the pan with some sesame oil. Now guys, as I said before, you don't have gochujang, that's okay. Just use whatever you've got in the pantry. You can make any sauce up you like. If you like a simple honey soy, by all means, add a bit of garlic for extra spice. Just give that a nice mix and done. Right, it's time to take out our crispy Korean air fried chicken and plate this baby up. Super delicious, crunchy, quick, easy Korean air fried chicken. Get on it right now because the kids will love you for it. Guys, if you have any questions about today's recipe, please drop them in the comment section below. Otherwise, like and subscribe for more. I need a refill. Guys, don't forget to drink that coffee.